Nababo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga for today's vlog. Price check po tayo ng mga appliances dito sa bagong-bagong bukas na Savers Appliances dito sa may Mabalacat, Pampanga. If you're looking for TV, refrigerators, washing machines, stoves, at marami pang iba para sa inyong bahay, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! It has formally opened. So congratulations po Savers Appliances for opening up dito sa Mabalacat City, Pampanga. This is their 7th branch dito sa Pampanga and 35th overall sa buong Pilipinas. Oh, look at this. This is my first time to ever see washing machine na AI controlled. AI controlled. Ano kayang ibig sabihin nun, no? If you got curious kung ano yung AI control na yun, I think gotta go here and inquire tayo dito. Ask for this one. This is interesting. Inside dito sa Savers Appliances Mabalacat City, here are the sections, no? So meron tayong audio and video, so that includes LCD TVs. Meron din tayong mga home and kitchen, so that includes rice cookers, stove, blender. Meron din tayong mga refrigerators, mga air conditioners, you know. Papakita natin yung mga possible na appliances na hinahanap ninyo. So this one is a Sharp Smart TV, 23,500 pesos. This is a 60-inch flat screen TV. This is at 37,700 pesos. This is at 75 inches UHD flat TV, 96,900 before, pero ngayon guys 72,500 na lang. Ito naman ay flat 4K Smart TV. This is at 27,000 pesos only. Actually dito pwede pala tayong mag-installment, either 12 months or 6 months, so depende po sa inyo. So we also have water dispensers. Price natin dito is at 5,700 pesos. I think that's the cheapest dito sa group na to. Stand fans, desk fan, mga electric fan guys, as low as, tingnan natin, it's 1,195 pesos for this one. Now for the refrigerators, the brands, so we have LG, Samsung, Panasonic, Sharp, Haier, Condura, Electrolux, Eurotech, Fujidenso, Whirlpool, Mark, at saka Saan din. Dito naman sa home and kitchen section nila, meron tayo dito mga gas range. This is at 2,600 pesos only. Meron tayong air fryers. So aside sa price check na gagawin natin ngayon, may isa pa akong goal na gusto ma-achieve. So di ko pa nakilala actually si Sir Jack. Hopefully makilala natin siya ngayon at saka makapag-selfie. So, dream come true, goal achieved. Goal achieved, nakapagpa-selfie tayo kay Sir Jack. Alright, may video ako. Kahit ka na ma'am, kahit ka na.
Mangan, sir. Hi.
Kain na?